Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your username in Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Messenger app and look at the lower right corner of your screen. You'll see a menu icon there. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up your main navigation options where you can access various settings and features within Messenger. Once the menu opens, tap on Settings. This is where you'll find all the customization options for your Messenger account, including your profile details, privacy settings, and notification preferences. It's the central hub for managing how your account looks and functions. Now scroll through the settings until you find the Profile section. This area contains all the information related to your Messenger identity, including your display name, profile picture, and importantly, your username. The Profile section is where you can control how other users see and interact with you on the platform. Inside the Profile section, locate and tap on Username. This option specifically manages the unique identifier that people can use to find and message you on Messenger. Your username is different from your display name because it must be unique across the entire platform and can't be duplicated by anyone else. Next, tap on Edit Username. This will open a text field where you can modify your current username to something new. It's important to note that your username is what appears in your Messenger link and makes it easier for people to find you without needing your phone number or full name. Now, in the text field that appears, input your new username. Keep in mind that your username must be unique, which means it can't already be taken by another user on Messenger. If someone else is already using the username you want, you'll need to try a different variation or add numbers or underscores to make it unique. Take a moment to think of something that represents you well and is easy for others to remember and type. Once you've entered your desired username and confirmed it's available, tap Save on the upper right corner of your screen. This will finalize the change and update your username across Messenger. Your new username will now be active and people can use it to search for and message you. And that's it. You've successfully changed your username in Facebook Messenger. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.